Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to auto sync audio with video in CapCut. To auto sync audio with video in CapCut, you can use the lip sync feature, which works perfectly for talking head video. Perfect for aligning external audio with camera footage or auto generate beat for syncing video cuts to music, right? But we're talking about syncing audio like a talking head video, for example, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just click our clip, swipe left to find lip sync feature. So be aware that you need to actually upgrade in order to leverage this feature. But if you upgraded already, you can switch to add audio. You can extract, choose from your favorite, or choose from sounds, or you can record a live audio where you're talking about something, right? Make sure it aligns with the video. And then once you extract an audio, right, you're gonna hit generate, and CapCut will automatically align the two tracks based on the sound. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next one.